In this video, I will show you how to post on Instagram and tag someone. If you get in a site selection like this one, you need first to get into your profile section on your account, then you need to tap on your right upper side on that plus icon, then go for post. And when you get into that fiction, you need to select a post selection which you're gonna take it to your site. Just go on your right upper side, click on it. From here you can take a filter if you want. For example, I don't know, for example, you can take whatever you want, for example this one, then go edit. You can take the brightness, you can do whatever you want. Then when you're ready, you go on processing or simply going to the main point, and here you have tag people, the first selection. Just tap on it, select where you want to tag that site selection for a user, for example here, and here you need to type for user. For example, we're gonna go with this one, and just go on your right upper side. You can add a caption if you want, you can add location also, or you can also add event and all that stuff. You can post to all other social medias, and then when you're ready for getting the post, you simply tap on your right upper side on the tick selection, and here you go guys.